This facility is a neutron source. Basically, they will accelerate a proton into a large rotating block of tungsten in order to knock loose neutrons. So we've built the power systems, lighting systems, fire alarm, communication systems, and also some high voltage cabling.
It's quite unique. It's a mixture of stakeholders, designers, in-kind partners, and us entrepreneurs.
I like the dynamics of a large workplace where a lot of work is ongoing simultaneously, and I also like the technical challenges and trying to find solutions to technical problems and implementing them.
Before Fieldwire we used paper, and it's hard to keep track of.
We used mostly Microsoft Office and AutoCAD and those kind of softwares. There was no central point in this.
Basically, working with the same information on two locations simultaneously is a challenge because you always risk losing track of what is the latest revision of any document. By automating certain tasks that were quite time-consuming before, I'm able to do more work in one day.
Like when we project managers want to look at stuff, it goes really quick.
An estimate from one of our collaboration partners has been around 25% time save on just documentation. You always have all of the documentation at hand on you at any time, complete with the revision history and access to old documentation as well.
Fieldwire definitely helped us more efficiently because if you can keep track of things you're doing, you don't need to go back all the time and check it. And that's the main problem with buildings. You always forget what you've done. So keeping track is number one, I would say.